Fernanda, tell us about fairness. What is fairness?
Fairness is when, like, if somebody is, like, eating something and then another person comes and asks, and if it's, like, a candy that you can, like, split in half, you can split it in half and then you can, give it to your friend because maybe she's, like, she thinks it's not fair that you have a candy and that she doesn't, and so you can split the candy in half and then you can give it to your friend.
So that would be sharing. Now, would it be unfair if you didn't share?
No.
Okay, why not?
Because fairness is because, like, perhaps a student gets a candy and they earned it, but your friend didn't earn it, so it would be fair because you were working hard and your friend probably wasn't working hard at all.
Okay, that's a good example. Okay, now we're going to take it past examples, which examples always help us out, but I'm going to ask you for a definition. Do you know the difference? Define fairness.
Yes.
Okay.
The definition for fairness is something that you get that another student might not get, but you earned it.
Okay, very close to that example. I'm a Martian. I'm from Mars. And I just don't get that concept. Fairness. Fairness? What is this fairness you speak of?
This fairness I speak of is something that you earn, and the definition for it is getting something that you get, but another student might not get.
Okay, it has to do with getting, in your opinion. Okay. Is it a matter of getting things? Is it always a matter of getting things?
No.
No? What else could it be?
It could also be, like, fairness could also be perhaps a game.
Oh, playing fair. Playing fair. Okay. How do you mean fairness there?
In the game, in a game of fairness, is like if you have a card and, like, you have, like, in Uno, like, you have a +4 and the other player does not have a +4, and then you would say it's fair because, well, you were just, like, handing the cards out and that's what she got, but the other person did not get.
Oh, so your cards might not equal the same, but it's fair because they were all handed out in the same way. They were just doled out.
Yes.
And so it's chance.
Yes.
What about cheating? Is it fair to cheat?
No.
Why not? Why does that become unfair?
Because, like, if you're playing a game and you cheat, that wouldn't be unfair because then if you have a switch card, like, and because you could, like, look over and then you cheated because you saw the other person's cards, and if you have...
So what's wrong with looking at other people's cards?
You're cheating. It's cheating because you're looking at the other people's card, and then, like, if you have one of those color cards where you can choose the color, that you're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna choose the color that she doesn't have, and it wouldn't be fair for them. They would have to go get more cards.
Okay, so by doing that, they're not playing by the rules, and that becomes unfair to the person, to her opponent. Because why?
Because then they might know that they looked over and cheated, and then they're probably gonna they're gonna like tell the teacher or something.
Well, why do people cheat?
People cheat so they can win in the
So
game.
they can win, but they're winning
Fairly.
unfairly. That's right. Okay, well, you gave us a lot about fairness, and I appreciate your time. Thank you, Fernanda.
You're welcome.